Hi everyone. Sometimes it's difficult to edit records. For example, if you look here, I am on the contact entity and I need to edit something. For example, I noticed that I made some mistakes. For example, this dash symbol here is not really necessary. Usually I would go into each record and add them manually, but there is another way. For example, if I look here, I can go into the records without going into the records and edit them. This function calls Editable Grid. Now I'm going to show you how to enable those on specific entities. You need to go into the solution area, into settings, click on solution, grab the right solution, grab the right entity. In my case, I will display that for accounts. Press on that, go on controls and choose Editable Grid. In case you don't see that, just click Add Control button and grab the specific one you need. We are searching for Editable Grid. Press the button, press Add button. Here you need to define on which sort of devices it should appear. We only want that to appear on web. So click on that, click Save. Click Publish. And go back into the system, refresh it. And as you can see on the contacts, you are now able to perform changes. That easy.